Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the irregular verb meet. That's meet, met, met. In this video, I'll break down the different meanings of meet, show you how it is used in context, and share common phrases and collocations to help you sound more natural in English. Let's dive in. First up, meet often means to see or talk to someone at an arranged time and place. Why don't we meet for lunch on Friday? You both agree on a time and place, a classic meet situation. We met to discuss the details in the office. Again, planned and intentional. This use is very common in everyday conversations, especially when making plans. Sometimes we use meet when we see someone unexpectedly, by accident, like a synonym for bump into. You will never guess who I met in town. This is a surprise meeting, probably someone you weren't expecting. I was worried I might meet Henry on the bus. A possible accidental encounter. Use this version when you run into people during your day. No planning involved. Next, we use meet to describe seeing someone for the first time, often when you are introduced. For example, nice to meet you. This is probably the most famous sentence with meet in the English language. She was nervous about meeting her boss for the first time. We also use meet when we go to pick someone up at a station, airport, or bus terminal. For example, my dad met us at the bus station. I met an old schoolmate at the bus terminal last week. This one could be planned or accidental, depending on the context. In sports or war, meet means to face someone in a competition or battle. The two best chess players finally met to decide who is the best. Manchester United will meet Blackburn Rovers in the 6th round of the Cup. We use this all the time when talking about fixtures in sports. Here, meet is used when two things touch or join at a particular place. For example, at the edge of the village, the main road meets the castle gates. Two paths literally come together. This is when the mountains meet the sea. It is a poetic image, very visual. People or groups can also meet to discuss things formally or informally. The committee meets once a month. A regular meeting to talk about work or issues. The two groups will meet next week to discuss the project. Again, this shows an organized, purposeful meeting. Meet can also mean to encounter difficulties or attitudes. During the hike, she met some unexpected difficulties, meaning she faced problems while walking. Wherever she went, she met hostility and prejudice. Unfortunately, not every meeting is a good one. This meaning is often emotional or dramatic, and quite common in writing. Let's wrap up with some common expressions and collocations. We're still hoping to meet the deadline. Used when trying to finish something on time. It's impossible to meet the sales targets. Again, performance-based language, very common in business. The idea didn't meet with approval from the board. This means the board didn't agree or accept it. Let's meet halfway and agree on a fair price. It's an idiom. Meet halfway means to compromise. We need to meet the problem head on and find a solution. Here's another idiom. It means to deal with the problem directly. They've met behind closed doors. A secret or private meeting, often used in politics. I met up with my colleagues after the conference. Meet up with is informal and common in spoken English. And that's for the verb meet, met. As you can see, it's much more than just shaking hands. From casual chats to serious challenges, meet is a powerful and flexible verb. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful lessons, and drop a comment below using meet in your own sentence. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.